You can try and advertise to 1.5 million households, or you can try and advertise to the group of people who come to the home show because they're ready to do something.
I think just the richness of the leads that you get from the home show, just everyone being in market, excited, ready to learn about your brand and your products is really, the difference.
So this stand made our budget for a year and a half already, so it's a massive return on investment. One small bathroom job covers our stand plus more.
6 months to a year after, we're still getting people coming in saying that, we saw you at the home show.
And we've had a number of designers, architects, builders, plumbers who have come to us over the last few days. We thought it would have impact. It's been wonderful.
The amount of leads we get from the home show is really hard to match doing any other avenue.
As we found a really focused group of people coming through to see us.
Last year we had 75 leads, of which 40 of them converted into actual renovations. So that was huge for us.
So far we're around about 140 leads or so over the whole day. We're already getting emails and texts from the people that we've met saying, hey, we saw you at the home show, please come out,
People are keen, people are buying. I've done a few of these myself now, and people are actually gravitated towards the more premium things. It's exceeded all our expectation, and it's definitely better than all the previous years, so by quite a margin as well. So
we've done SEO, we've done Facebook ads, we've done Google ads. We've weighed up the return on investment on both sides of things, and the home show, number one, has the maximum return.